I am hungry, maybe even borderline hangry, but that's okay because what I'm about to make is quick and easy and very scrumptious, satisfying, and I'll be okay. It's banging, babe. So remember I said quick. Here we go. Fresh greens, check. So you're just gonna take some greens and put them up in that bowl. Next, we're gonna cut up some strawberries. I like a lot of them. A lot of strawberries. Right now is strawberry season, so it's a great time to make the salad because the strawberries have so much more flavor when it's peak season. I just cut up the strawberries bite size. Next, I'm gonna cut up an apple. Again, just little bite-sized pieces, however you like to do it. We're gonna crush up some cashews. These are roasted cashews. They are organic. They are salted with sea salt. I'm gonna eat one right now. Tide me over. And now we're gonna chop. I just use my Pamper Chef chopper. Makes it super easy. Blend again, throw it in. You can have a lot of this prep the night before, and when you get home from work, boom, just throw it all in. I love onion. Onion loves me, and it is so good for you. Great addition to the salad, and the purple adds a nice, pretty color. I love a lot of color in my food. When I cut up the onion, I like to do little pieces, kind of thin, not chunky. You know, it can go either way with purple onion. It can be super spicy or a little bit sweet. Let's hope this one's not super spicy. I don't want super spicy. And now I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. And a lot of times for lunch, I'll just throw some slivered almonds on here or sliced almonds, and that way you can make it vegetarian, but I'm a little hungry, and so I'm gonna go ahead and saute some chicken. But the salad is basically done. You can see how quick that was, 7 minutes. And it's gonna take me about 7 minutes to do the chicken, so 14 minutes total, no big deal. Dinner is done. The first thing that I'm gonna do that I learned from the Salty Chef is I am going to oil my chicken and then season it, and then I will put it in the pan. So before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil in the pan and let that start heating up, so when I'm finished with this, it's good to go. I am using palmetto olive oil, and I'm gonna put their link in the description. The one thing that is wonderful about palmetto olive oil is the polyphenol count. It is so much higher starting out, so as I'm doing a quick saute, I only lose about half of those polyphenols, and they're still high enough to give a lot of nutrient value. Plus it tastes amazing, and you can order it and have it delivered to you. I don't want to put too much oil in the pan because I do like for my chicken to have a nice coat and crust. And if you put too much oil in the pan, then it just kind of stays kind of wet. So we don't want that. Oiling the chicken. Smear that around. And now I'm going to add some Himalayan sea salt, along with some black pepper and garlic powder. My favorite. I absolutely love garlic powder. So I just let it saute until it has that nice golden brown crust, and then I flip it over. Usually takes about 3.5 minutes each side. Let's take a peek and see how it's doing. Oh, it's ready to turn. That's what you want. That is beautiful. So everything is done, and now it's time for the star of the show, which is the palmetto olive oil, along with the strawberry balsamic vinegar. The basil olive oil is high in polyphenols, and the balsamic vinegar antioxidants. So we have this beautiful, nutritious salad, and we are topping it with even more nutrients, healthy fats. It's amazing, and it tastes so good. You didn't have to make this, just throw it on there. So you can actually order this from their website, just like I had said before, or if you're local to Greenville, South Carolina, they're located on Augusta Road, doing great things for your body. It is truly my favorite, and I am not promoting them for any other reason, except for the fact that I absolutely love it. If you saw my pantry, you'd get it. All right, I'm hungry. Gonna dress those up, get that basil on there. These flavors pair so well together. And the strawberry. And I am so hungry, so now I'm gonna go eat my dinner. You guys have a great day.